Let's get soapy with Heartdeco Wonders. Hey guys, so today I'm showing you our stainless steel soap dispensers. It comes with 2 chambers of 500 milliliter each. It is very durable in the bathroom, so any moist or steam won't affect the design. So the dispensing holes are pretty small, as you can see, so make sure to have like a really liquidy and runny product. To put it inside, you're just going to turn and then open up the lid, place in your liquid hand soap, your shampoo, maybe not conditioner. So you can use these mounting hooks to mount the soap dispensers to your wall. It is great to use in the bathroom, in the restaurant's bathroom, or any other kind of bathroom, in your shower even. To get your soap to start dispensing, you're just gonna pull the lever to the front like that, and then it should release all the liquid. So as you can see here at the front, there are a small peeping hole, so you can see the level at which your liquid is at the moment, so if it's time to refill, you'll know. It is a very stylish and elegant design, perfect for the minimalistic home, or if you wanted to do a little renovation, this is perfect to have in your bathroom. It is available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.